Hello guys and gals, welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe we're going to be sharing is a low-calorie cookie cake with strawberry and banana toppings with no baking required. The ingredients you'll need today are marigold cookies, melted butter, 3 tablespoons, chocolate chips, Cool Whip, milk, banana and strawberries. To start, take out the marigold cookies and start placing them in a blender. You can have your kids help you with this, they'll have a blast. Then what you want to do is blend the mixture into a fine powder. Keep blending until you get that fine texture. Put that powder into a separate bowl. Then add the melted 3 tablespoons of butter into that mixture. Mix well. Then add milk to the mixture and mix well. You want your mixture not to be too thick or not to be too runny. You can keep adding milk until your mixture is just the right thickness. Then you put the mixture into a round container or whatever shape you want to give the cake, and you pat it down. Then you take whipping cream, add it on top and spread it around. Be gentle when you're spreading it because whipping cream tends to stick to itself and won't spread well. Just be patient, be gentle. Next, what you want to do is you want to heat up those chocolate chips and add whipping cream into those chocolate chips. You want to mix the mixture of chocolate chips and the whipping cream and then add it to your cake. Again, be gentle when you spread this topping because it tends to stick to itself and it may take a while. Then grab some bananas and strawberries for toppings. After you've placed your toppings the way you want them, put the cake in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool, let it harden. After the 15 to 20 minutes has passed, take out the cake, slice it, serve it to your family. It's as quick as that. Well guys and gals, if you enjoyed this recipe, please be sure to hit that subscribe, like, share, and that bell button so you get notified for any other recipes I post. Thank you for watching. Many more to come.